Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. We are unboxing a new Chromebook today from HP. This is their x360 Chromebook, the 12-inch edition. This is on loan, by the way, from HP, so when we're done with this, it goes back to them. We will have a full review of this soon on my main channel at lon.tv. This is an Intel-based Chromebook. It's got an N4000 processor. That's a Gemini Lake chip. We've seen these before. And this one is a touch display as well. It sells for about $359, and again, we'll have a full review of this soon on the main channel. And it looks like they packed in a stylus here, so let's take a look at that first. And it looks like they've already untaped it for me, which is great for an unboxing event here. And you can see there's the stylus. It looks like they gave me an extra little pen tip for that as well. So we will play around with that when we do the full review. So let's put that off to the side here. And let's take a look and see what the Chromebook looks like, and we will have a look. Now this is a 2-in-1, so you're able to use this as a tablet and a laptop. And Chrome OS has actually been getting a lot more tablet friendly lately. So of course you can install your Android apps on it, but you can also now use a lot of touch and pen gestures in Chrome OS natively as well. And we've covered some of that in prior reviews. There's some plastic stuff there. We'll take a look at the power adapter in a minute. So let's open it up here and see what we got. So now what's neat about this right out of the gate, and I got to actually zoom the camera out a bit to give us a little bit more room here, is that this has a square display. It's not running with a 16:9, a more widescreen display that we typically see on these Chromebooks. Feels very lightweight, very nice build quality. Looks like it's got some metal on board there. And yeah, looks pretty cool. So again, you've got the 2-in-1 functionality here. The keyboard looks like a standard Chromebook keyboard, nice big trackpad as well. Let's take a look at the ports on this one. We've got a headphone microphone jack here. You have a USB Type-C port. This is a full service port, so you can do power, video, and data out of there. You have a micro SD card slot here to augment its storage. This only has 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, so if you wanted to take movies with you on the road, for example, you're going to want to put them on that card because this doesn't have a lot of space to hold much of anything. And that might be an issue if you want to install Linux on it or something like that. On the other side, we have another full-service USB-C port, so you can plug your power into either side. You have a full-size USB 3.0 port, a volume rocker, and a Kensington lock there as well, and that is pretty much it. This is fanless, so it doesn't make any noise when it's on your desk. And a lot of people like these square displays, and I think it's something that might appeal to some folks out there. And I promised the power adapter as well, and this is what it looks like, your standard little power adapter here. This is probably a 45-watt power supply, so not too demanding on power. And then, of course, you've got your US adapter here for plugging it in. All right, so what we're going to do now is start testing this thing, and we'll have a full review soon on my main channel at lon.tv, so stay tuned.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, Rajesh, Logic GR, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.